Bibidyohan natin si Pelican kasi dito ko. Ano ginagawa niya? Kaya siya gusto ko. Kasi gusto ko siya. Exercise ang ating bull. Diba? Dito tayo sa dagat. Dito tayo sa Laguna Lake. May tatlong bibi akong nakita, kaya't mataba ang mga bibi. Ngunit siya'y mataktak sa likod ay iisa. Nagpifid sila ng bird. Nakatingin lang po si Pelican. Diba? Tama yung mga bibi. Lumalapit. Binibigyan nila ng bird. Si Lina. Nandito kasi ako sa si Pelican. Hi, Pelican. Look at that pelican. Is she beautiful? Hi. Look at that. I know. Yeah. Is it edible? Is that fish edible? Look at it. I think no, that's not really. Yeah. They just fish and then just, you know. And it's only for the bird food, this one. Like Pelican loves to eat that one.
Here he's looking jumping, isn't he?
Yeah. It's time to catch. Look at that, isn't it? It's so good. Oops.
Oh, look, there's the pelican, look.
See, the pelican start,
Might be bald, that must be.
yeah. Ayan na si pelican. Yay!
Here comes the ducky, so, duck.
Oh, oops. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, cute. So cute. Look at that. Apparently, that is not allowed to feed the duck with the bread because you know they are choking. Yeah, that is what the what's that when someone here from the I know that they said that it's not allowed to feed the duck.
Yeah. This way.
It is protected.
We used to have ducks around the canal and
Yeah.
I used to buy the poultry food for them. You live just around here?
Yes, in Third Avenue, I just walk because I'm working in the aged care as well. Before I go to work because it's really, oh my God. Yeah, so I need to do my walk first, my exercise, and then relax, and then go to work. Mm.
And go into people's homes, you know.
We really need to relax, isn't it? Before going to work because it's not an easy job.
No.
Especially I'm working in dementia ward.
Yeah, well that's hard.
Oh my God.
I've looked after dementia people. You give them their clothes to put on and they'll start taking them off.
Yeah.
Go to bed.
No, they don't go to bed. Last night they don't want to go to bed.
Oh yeah.
Oh God.
Stay up at night.
Yeah.
I know that's the worst.
Yeah.
You do it in nursing home or in people's homes?
In a nursing home.
Which one?
I work in Merrimack.
Merrimack.
Yeah.
Okay.
In Merrimack.
Yeah. One more.
So it's really hard, especially I have this guy who keep on, you know, we put him in bed and it's sliding on the floor, put him in bed, it's sliding on the floor. Oh my God, because it's and he cannot get up and he's really a big man.
And you can't strap him in because
of course it's not allowed.
Rights, isn't it?
Yeah, and they don't want to have the medication as well. Papasok na ako. Hello, bye-bye.